Teacher Teddy has a funny question today. Have you ever been talking and suddenly, a hiccup jumps out? Why does our body make that sound? Inside your body, under your lungs, there is a special muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm helps you breathe in and breathe out every second. Most of the time, it moves smoothly. But sometimes, the diaphragm suddenly tightens very fast without warning. When that happens, you quickly pull air into your lungs. As the air rushes in, a small flap in your throat closes suddenly. And that quick closing makes the hic sound. Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink too quickly, laugh a lot, or swallow extra air. The good news is, hiccups are usually harmless. They stop on their own after a short time. So next time you say, hic, remember, it's just your diaphragm having a tiny surprise moment.